What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to talk about sneaker Armageddon. The Adidas outlets have been decimated in the last few days and I'm going to tell you why. Now here's the good news. Despite the outlets being hit again and again by a lot of people for amazing deals, there are still actually sneakers that are pretty good that are sitting on shelves. So what I'll be doing in this vlog is I'll be sharing with you some of the great deals that are still waiting for you there, and I'll share with you other places where you can buy sneakers for up to 70% off. Let's go! If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We have a bunch of ongoing giveaways. The biggest one being a brand new Nintendo Switch. So make sure that you guys subscribe, follow me on IG, join our Facebook community. The links to all of those can be found down below. And then click the links down below for the rest of the mechanics of all the other giveaways. We're giving away like a bunch of LAZADA gadgets, from headphones to true wireless earphones. We're giving away a Samsung Galaxy A50 and a bunch of other amazing stuff. Again guys, link below. The sneakers I'll be showing you guys are some of the sneakers still sitting on shelves at the Adidas Riverbanks location over at Marikina. First up, we have the Adidas Ultra Boost SL in two colorways. The Adidas Ultra Boost SL usually sells for 8,500 pesos here in the Philippines, but it is now down to a little over 5,000 pesos. There are two colorways, white, gray, and red, and another one that has hits of blue. So it is red, black, and red. Red, black, and blue. Now, the great thing about the Ultra Boost SL is that it has suede paneling on the edges and on the side of the shoe, giving it more character and texture compared to your one knit type of Ultra Boosts. So if you are looking for a fashion-forward statement type of Ultra Boost kicks, you might want to check this one out. So that's the first sneaker, the Ultra Boost SL. Now another sneaker that you guys probably want to check out is the POD 3.1 because it is now on 50% off. There are a variety of colorways of the POD on discount. There was a generic black and white version. There was a blue version. Great news! 50% off. Original price was at 7,000 something pesos, now down to 3,500 pesos. Half the price for the POD. Probably reason for that is that the new POD 3.2 is already out. Now, if you are looking for an everyday casual sneaker that just has boost and doesn't break the bank, you might want to check out the i5923. They have it in a lot of colorways, both for men and for women. Usually sells for 6,500, but with the 50% off, you should be able to cop it at 3,250 pesos. Speaking of casual sneakers, this one doesn't have boost though, but it is hella funky. It will turn heads and it is super cheap now. I'm talking about the Adidas D-Rupt. The Adidas D-Rupt used to be, I think, like 6,000 plus pesos with that mesh type of net upper that a lot of people got their, head scratching. Now the good news is that it is 70% off and it is down to just 1,740 pesos in several colorways. So again, if you've been eyeing the D-Rupt and you've been curious about it, but the price point kind of prevented you from buying one, now might be the best time to pick one up since it's below 2,000 pesos. We also have the Marquee Boost, and this is where everybody went crazy because the Marquee Boost is an amazing basketball sneaker with a boost midsole with vibrant colors that pop, and I think the main reason people didn't buy them because they were just really expensive. They used to sell for like 7,000 plus pesos, but now they are on 70% off, guys. 70. So you can actually get the Marquee Boost High for just 2,250 pesos now, and it comes in the next colorway of blue, orange, black, and white. And this is, I think, the sneaker that got everybody crazy when it hit the outlets at 70% off. Now, you can also get the Marquee Boost Low, and this one is selling for just 2,100 pesos as well. So if you are looking for basketball sneakers with boost, look no further. Try to pick up a pair of the Marquee Boosts either at the outlet or at the Adidas sale website, which we will talk about at the end of this vlog. Speaking of boost, unfortunately, there weren't a lot of Ultra Boosts anymore sitting on shelves at the Riverbanks outlet. I just saw like a couple of them. One was an Ultra Boost laceless black multicolor. This one was selling for just 6,510 pesos. And I also saw an olive Ultra Boost 4.0 in just 2 to 3 sizes left at 6,230 pesos. So there aren't a lot anymore of Ultra Boosts left except for the SLs. However, if you really love Boost and you want a hella chunky sneaker, the Boost you wear is on 50% off. So I actually have this, and I think I'm one of the very few who loves the shoe. So this one from 8,000 pesos, it's on 50% off. You should be able to pick it up for just 4,000 pesos. Chunky Boost all over. Now this sneaker actually caught me by surprise. This is the Adidas Night Jogger because it's a fairly recent release. And the Night Jogger is now, I think, on 30% off. So usually sells for 7,500, but you should be able to get it for just 5,250 for the red colorway for the men. However, you can actually get it at 50% off over at the women's section of the outlet. The Adidas Night Jogger in blue sells for just 3,850 pesos. So this is just like mind-blowing insane because the Night Jogger is one of the most comfortable sneakers with the, you know, with the deconstructed futuristic vibe with the 3M hits, and for it to sell at such a low price is really an amazing steal. So if the Night Jogger is your thing, if you've been thinking about buying one but you found it expensive, again, now is the best time to pick one up. Now, this sneaker made me happy because I wanted to buy it first when I saw it hit shelves for full price, but now it's on 50% off. This is the Adidas Samba Boost. So this sneaker has that typical black leather upper with an icy blue midsole and Boost encased inside. Sells now for just 3,250 pesos. We also have the Pure Boost Go, and this is one of the biggest steals in the outlet stores over at Riverbanks. It was being sold for just 1,800 pesos. That is a ridiculous price for an amazingly good sneaker, guys. Now, one sneaker that I almost bought and I almost brought home was the Adidas T-Mac Millennium Boost, mainly because it had Iron Man colors of red, gold. It really looked kick-ass. And this one was just selling for 3,500 pesos, half the price. So if you are looking for basketball sneakers with Boost, this is probably one of the sneakers that you guys should consider as well. So those were the sneakers for men that were on amazing prices that were still sitting on shelves. Now let's talk about the options for the ladies. For the ladies, I mentioned earlier the Night Jogger in blue. I think it's really one of the best deals at 3,850 pesos. We also have a bunch of Ultra Boosts for the ladies, which is something that I can't say for the men. We have the Ultra Boost Laceless in pink for 4,650 pesos. So it's like the black multicolor for the men, but this time around it's in pink, and they still had actually a lot of sizes available. There was the Ultra Boost Uncaged in pink as well, and this one is selling at 6,230 pesos. We also saw an Ultra Boost Stability in hot pink. So the Ultra Boost Stability, for those who don't know, is for people with flat feet. It has additional arch support with some sort of like plastic band along the medial side of the shoe. Now this one was selling for 6,230 pesos. We also saw an Ultra Boost Uncaged in purple. So those sneakers on top of the typical D-Rups, typical Profeers, Falcons, and all the other usual Adidas sneakers that you would find in an outlet. The ones that I mentioned were just the ones that really caught my attention. It's really the attack of the pink. So those were the sneakers that I wanted to bring to your attention sitting on shelves at the Adidas outlet at Riverbanks. Now here's a couple of good news. Number one, the Adidas outlet over at Shell Asia, I think that's what you call it, the one along NLEX, just announced that they're on 70% off for selected sneakers all the way up until September 30. But if you don't want to go to the outlet, you can just go to the Adidas website, because the Adidas website actually has most of the deals that you can find in the outlet already. They even have some exclusives that you can only find online and you wouldn't find it in an outlet. So if you already know your size, your actually best bet is to just buy it on the online website of Adidas. So just go to adidas.com.ph, go to the sale section on the menu, and then every item from sneakers to clothes to bags at amazing discounted prices you can find there. They even just restocked it recently, so you should be able to find new Ultra Boosts, new Boost sneakers, and a lot of other crazy heat pairs at amazing prices. I've said amazing so many times in this vlog already, but you guys get the point, okay? So again, you don't necessarily have to just go to the outlet. If you have the budget and you know your size and you want to buy Adidas sneakers for cheap prices, the first place you should always check, is the Adidas Philippines website. Please do take note that I think from the last time I checked, they removed the cash on delivery option for now. So the only way you should be able to buy is either use PayPal or credit card. And for Power Up Words of Wisdom for the day, I just want to share with you guys a quote that I've taken to heart in the last few months. So the quote is actually very deep, and it goes like this: You shouldn't follow your heart. You shouldn't listen to your heart. You should lead your heart. What does that mean? When you take a look at what you are passionate about and what you like, you should always have control over it, and you shouldn't just blindly say yes to what your emotions tell you. At the end of the day, wisdom comes from discerning. Wisdom comes from patience. Wisdom comes from really thinking things out and taking a look at all the factors involved. It's not just saying yes on a whim. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog for today. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.